Let's go. Here we are. We're going to do some crowdsourced usability testing. This is the first time you've seen this.
Yeah.
So this is our header. So the idea is that you would log in to administer your Drupal site, and this little header would come up over the top of your site. I want to run through some kind of questions with you, and then we'll just do some sort of general feedback as well.
Yeah.
So imagine for a second that we have a business website and we've just hired a new person and sacked somebody, and we want to add a new staff bio to our website.
Yeah.
Where do you think you would go to add a new staff bio to the website?
Well, probably add if it's a new page.
Yeah.
But if it's everything on one page, I'll just go and edit that page.
Fair enough.
Maybe find the content first and then edit it.
So just say it is a whole new thing, not editing a page.
Yeah, well then add.
Yeah. And what do you think would happen if you clicked on add?
It'll give me a page where I can fill in the right fields, and I click submit, and then it will be there.
Cool. What if we then wanted to get rid of the old staff bio, the person that we sacked?
The old staff bio.
Yeah.
I'll find the content here.
Yep.
And then delete it.
Excellent.
Yeah, or unpublish.
Beautiful. What if we wanted to give our new staff member access so that they can come in and publish content on the website?
So new stuff. People. So you go in there and then presumably you can create a new account or give permissions to an existing account.
Cool. Excellent. What if I wanted to create a new category of products? So I've got products on my website, a new range comes in, need to create a new category. Where do you think we go?
A new category, well, I'll probably go to add.
Yeah.
Add a new category.
Yeah, fair enough too.
Yeah.
What if you wanted to find an article that you wrote about 12 months ago so that you could kind of revise it a little bit?
Find content.
Beautiful. That's great.
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay. I'm just going to run quickly through these little items at the top here and get kind of a sense of what you imagine might be in them. So just say we went into content.
Yeah.
What do you think you'd see if you clicked on content?
A list of pages or content on the site.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And what would you be able to do from there?
Probably give me options to either edit it or delete.
Excellent. Now this little mysterious one here, IA.
Yeah.
It stands for information architecture.
Yeah.
We would usually I just kind of have it completely spelt out. I've just got a bit of an old header here.
Right.
Does information architecture mean anything to you?
Quite vague.
What does it, when you think about information architecture, what does it make you think of?
If I had to guess, I'd probably be thinking like menu structure.
Navigation.
Navigation.
Sort of yeah. Okay. So what if you clicked on IA?
Yeah.
What would you? I know this is a bit of a stab. What would you guess you might see?
Probably a place where I can. Well, the first thing that came to my mind is where, again, I think it's like a page with content, a bit like content, but in a more structured way. Like maybe put into under sections, maybe, or like the navigation structure, but with the actual page content underneath.
Okay. And would you be able to do anything there, or just look at it?
Move things around.
Move things around. Cool. Excellent.
That'd be really cool.
People.
Yes.
We kind of talked about people already, didn't we? List of accounts, making accounts, permissions.
Yeah.
Anything else that you think would go on in people, or is that kind of it?
Create new accounts, remove accounts, see who can use the site. Nothing more.
Appearance.
Yeah.
What do you think appearance would be?
Like design stuff, like templates maybe. You could choose different themes like
Different
that.
themes, yeah. Okay. Modules.
One most obvious one is Drupal module.
Yeah.
The way it is now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So being able to find modules.
Yeah, a list of all the modules that you can enable or disable.
Excellent. Okay. What do you think config might be?
So configuring the site, things like, for example, if you have like a process, like a cron thing running, whether you can set that up, tweak that.
It's all happening here.
Yeah, no, it is the best corner for this. Yeah, general site configuration, maybe emails, administrator emails, anything else that doesn't belong. It's not content related, I guess, like site related.
Fair enough. And presumably helps fairly self-explanatory.
Yeah, where you have to find out how to do things.
Excellent. Okay. What do you? We haven't mentioned dashboard at all yet.
Yeah.
What would you imagine dashboard is?
Well, somewhere where you would see. I probably expect to find content. Well, stuff from there, stuff from people, and maybe latest comments and things like that. Probably customizable where you can sort of say what you want to monitor.
Yeah. Okay. So it's sort of a monitoring.
Yeah. So new stuff to sort of.
Sure.
Yeah.
That makes sense, doesn't it? Okay then. What's your initial kind of thought about a header like this? Can you imagine something like this being part of the admin system for the sites that you're building? Would it be good, bad, indifferent?
I like it's good that it's simple. There's only like 4 stuff on there. But perhaps maybe the ability to configure it, because I can probably imagine the different sites that I build will have different requirements for what goes on there.
Yeah. What we were thinking was that this top level up here would be global, so everyone would get that because that gives you access to everything. Yeah. But that these big icons here, there would be defaults depending on whether you were a developer or a content person, but then also you'd be able to customize them for yourself as well.
That's cool. I guess, depending on the either user role or the actual users, you can maybe like a shortcut.
Exactly, so that's kind of the idea, that the major tasks that you're doing all the time would be the shortcuts so you can just get straight in there. Cool. Okay then, but overall, generally positive?
Yeah, positive. I mean, this reminds me, because at the moment I use the navigate module to put shortcuts in there for the client admin side. So that's
excellent. So you're kind of doing this for them anyway?
So just the stuff that they need on the side,
Excellent. Okay then, that should just about do us for now. Thanks.